Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted partner for professional communication, cabling, and security solutions. Today, we'll explore an important topic for homeowners and property managers alike: how to manage multiple entryways in homes using video intercom systems. Whether you live in a multi-level home, a large family residence, or a property with several access points, video intercoms bring security, convenience, and peace of mind right to your fingertips. Many modern homes have more than one way to enter: front doors, back doors, basement entries, and garage access points. While these features are convenient, they can also present security challenges. Without the right system, homeowners may not know who's entering or approaching each point of access, which can increase the risk of intrusion, missed deliveries, or unwanted visitors. That's where video intercom systems come in. A video intercom allows you to see, hear, and communicate with anyone at your door before granting access. When connected to multiple entry points, it provides complete visual coverage of your home's perimeter. Imagine receiving a visitor at the front door while another person arrives at the side gate. Your intercom system lets you instantly switch views, verify identities, and control locks, all from one screen or mobile app. With today's smart intercom technology, managing multiple entryways has never been easier. Comm Systems installs network-based intercom systems that integrate with Wi-Fi networks, mobile devices, and smart locks, giving you real-time access control from anywhere in the world. Whether you're upstairs, in the backyard, or away on vacation, you can monitor and respond to visitors instantly. No missed knocks, no surprises. Our professional installations include strategic placement of intercom stations for full visibility, seamless wiring and network integration, and user-friendly configuration that allows homeowners to manage all doors with a single interface. These systems not only enhance safety but also add value and sophistication to your property. Beyond security, video intercoms offer daily convenience. They let you communicate between floors, check who's at the door before answering, and even screen visitors without physical contact. A great feature for families, the elderly, or anyone living alone. Thank you for watching this informative story on managing multiple entryways in homes with video intercoms. To learn how Comm Systems can help secure and simplify your home, contact us today for a professional consultation. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest security and communication solutions. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.